Hey guys, this is Henry here again. Okay, in today's video, I want to be talking about a cryptocurrency I want to invest in. You guys know that I always send you signals on shitcoins, cryptocurrencies to invest in that will make you 10x, 100x, that will make you much money. Let me just put it that way, much profit. Do you understand? So let's head over to our coin market cap. Let me show you this cryptocurrency. I've invested in it though. I invested in it earlier today, but I'm thinking of investing more. Let me show you. Let me first of all show you. This is my trust wallet. This is the coin I'm talking about. Gamer. This one you're seeing here, Gamer. As you can see, I already have 10.2 million pieces. That is worth $4. But I feel like buying more. Do you understand? I feel like buying more. Now, before we buy this cryptocurrency, let me walk you through the currency. Let's go on coin market cap. Now, this is the currency. This is the currency. Gamer. All right. As you can see, let's scroll down. Let's read about the cryptocurrency. See, about Gamer Finance. Bring the gaming community, content creators, and game developers together with GMR. Now, do you know what I love about this information I'm seeing here? It is that game developers. You see, there's something about the gaming community. You see, bringing the gaming community. I know about gamers, and I know how these guys can actually be all out for anything that would bring them together. Do you understand? So gamers, they can actually, if you check most of all these gaming cryptocurrencies, you know that most of them have hit $1 and above. All right, I'm not saying this cryptocurrency will hit $1 and above. Get it straight. I'm not a financial advisor. Get it straight. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my observation. Do you understand? So when investing, invest a money you know you can lose. Don't invest a money your school fees, your house rent, money that is very, very important to you that you know when you lose you cry. Don't invest such money in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is risky. So I just want to make it clear to you. All right, moving ahead, let's check the website. Okay, this is the website. Looking good. So let's see what it says here. What it says here: an OP crypto token for gamers. We aim to bring the gaming community, content creators, and game developers together with our token. So you see, I love what I'm seeing here. But like I said, all this does not guarantee that maybe you will make a 10x, 20x, or 100x or make profit from it. We all know how people can go all out creating beautiful websites just to scam people. So what we are doing here, we are actually taking risk. So that's why I said you should actually invest an amount you know you can lose. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm saying it again and again. All right, without wasting much time, as far as I'm concerned, I'm investing more in this cryptocurrency because I feel it will go high in value. All right, so what we want to do right now, we want to copy the contract address. I've just copied it. What you're tapping here is just this small icon here. Once you tap it, you've copied. Before we move on, let's just see if we have any more information here on coin market cap. As you can see, the coin is actually dropping right now. So I feel this is like one of the best time to invest in a cryptocurrency, not when it is pumping, but when it is dumping. All right, so now let's go to our trust wallet. Now I want to buy the cryptocurrency. Go on pancake swap. Okay, let's click okay, this is it. GMR, I already have it saved here. So but if you don't have it saved here, just paste the contract address you copied. You see it here. Click it will appear here. So I think I'm going to buy, let me buy 100 million 100 million worth. Okay, I think I have 10 million. Let me buy 90 million. so that I will automatically have 100 million of this coin. 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Am I correct? 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let me swap. Confirm. Wow, $48. All right, is this something I can risk? Yes, I can risk it. I'm risking it. I'm moving ahead, guys. I've just risked $48. I've just risked $48. So as you can see right now, let me check the history. Let me see. Okay, it's not yet. Okay, yes, it's now green. If you can see, if you notice, it was red before. That means it was still processing. Now it's now green, meaning it has processed. So as you can see, this information up here, smart contract all executed. All right, now let's go. Let's cancel pancake swap. Now let's go back to our gamer. It's still here, but I know if I refresh, it will come up. Let me refresh. As you can see, it has come up. So I have 93 million pieces. So meaning they actually took some for transaction fee. I'm still going to go back and make it 100 million pieces, but I'll do that on my own. It's not to make this video too long. So but guys, I've just bought gamer, so I'll be buying that's 7 million pieces more to complete it 100 million pieces. All right guys, so if you feel I'll advise you first of all do your own research before you follow me. But most of you that has followed me on other cryptocurrencies that have dropped, you guys have already, all my signals are perfect. All my cryptocurrencies are perfect. Like you see this pig token right now, the first one you're seeing, that is $161. I bought pig token with only $8. Was it $8 or $7? I bought pig token with $7, 117 million pieces. As you can see, it's now worth $161. Have I made profit? Have we made profit? 100% yes. Okay, NFT art. I bought 19 billion pieces. As you can see, this is 14 billion pieces right now for $9. If you check my previous video, you will see when I talked about NFT art, I bought 19 billion pieces for $9 when it just came out. As you can see right now, I have 14 billion pieces. Why? Because I've collected some profits before. It is the profit I collected from NFT art. Let me just tell you guys right now that I used in buying this gamer. Do you understand? Now NFT art actually grew to $800. I used to say it in my previous video before. So but right now it has dropped back to $148, something I bought with $9. Do you understand, guys? Okay, Panda DAO. Okay, let me just not start taking you guys through all the signals I've dropped to show you and to prove to you that all my signals are always perfect. So I just want to believe that this gamer will not be will be the same. Do you understand? It will be the same. Meaning it will be profitable. I just want to believe that. So, but if it is not, no problem. Life is all about risk. So, thank you guys. Drop your comment below.